Hi, this is Steve from Arizona Blade Broker, and welcome to another review. Today we're going to look at something pretty special. This is probably one of the coolest and rarest tactical knives I have ever had in my possession or in my inventory. This is a Mission MPK titanium. From my understanding is this was a design that was commissioned by the Navy SEALs or the Navy in general, with titanium blade. What I understand has to do with the ordnance disposal. You cannot have a magnetic blade when you're poking around with landmines or what have you. So let's take a look at this. This is not just any run-of-the-mill MPK. This is one of the rarest versions of it. As I understand, this was one of the original prototypes made. Well, that isn't going to come off on accident. No markings, no coatings, just raw titanium. This is a fantastic knife. I've only ever seen one other one for sale, and it was beat pretty hard. This one is completely unused. This will be going up for auction in the very near future on my eBay store, which is Steve 11, surplus-Steve 11. I will post a link to that page, and I will post an additional link when it goes up for auction. As you can see, it's completely sterile, no markings. My understanding, they only made about 50 of these when they first did them as prototypes for the Navy, and all the rest of them got beat to death. So I don't know how many of these, if any others, are left in mint condition untouched. Let's check this thing out. For those of you who have never seen a Mission MPK, I've owned and sold a couple of them, but they've all been production models, consumer models, or with all the markings and what have you. The knife itself is 258 grams. The total carry weight with the scabbard is 458. 1.01 pounds combined. 9.2 ounces for just the knife. That's pretty damn light. But then again, it's titanium, so that's what you would expect. The overall length of this is around a foot, almost exactly a foot, maybe a little less, no, a little more. 12, maybe 12 and an eighth inches. The blade length is exactly 7 inches if you're counting the ricasso, which gives it around 6.5 inches of cutting edge, and it's a partially serrated version. It's not, what I would call shaving sharp. I'm not really sure you can put a shaving sharp edge on titanium. I really haven't played with it, and I'm not going to sharpen this thing since it's basically untouched. That would be kind of silly. Again, MPK, titanium, Mission knives, prototype. Watch for it on eBay at surplus-Steve 11.